So I just wanted to quickly fix the stuff we were working on in the previous video. So I found what the problem, like we had some problems with the physics and stuff. So we're just gonna fix that really quickly. So let's just rewrite this. I found what the main problem was. We're just gonna rewrite that one. By the way, it's still the same day as in the previous video, so I'm still pretty tired. But anyways, let's just do this. So the first thing we want to fix is actually in the actor ball. No, in the actor. So one problem is how we draw stuff. So I figured like the main issue we had was actually drawing stuff. So it's a really easy fix actually. So the origin of our textures when they are drawn is kind of weird. So we're gonna fix that. You know, these are just actually copied from the OpenGL tutorial, you know, that I was looking in previous videos. I don't know why they did like this, because I don't know, I don't like to have the coordinates like this. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna start from 0. Then we're gonna move to the right. So we're gonna do we're gonna keep that. We're gonna do like that. And then we're gonna move to the bottom right corner. And then to the bottom left corner. So that's it. And then we're gonna do is that we're gonna redo these. That is correct. And now we're correct there. So now if we compile, things should actually look a little bit different. Like our measurements are not correct now. So things are a bit smaller, I think. Yeah, things looks a little bit better, like they should do. Anyway, yeah, one problem now is that our calculation for putting things in the middle is not correct anymore, since now the origin of textures are in the upper left corner. But anyway, now we can make the ball move like it should. So if self x is plus self width is larger than the pads x and self x is less than a x plus and self x is less than plus a width, and we're going to do the same thing for the y. Then self dx equals 0, self dy equals 0. Now the ball should just stop if it collides. Works perfectly. And let's also do, we're gonna add a little correction here. So if self x plus self width divided by 2. So if our middle point is larger than the pad's middle point, then self x is equal to ax. I think that's it actually. Yeah. Else self x is equal to ax plus a with self x isn't that, wait, no, no, oh, we were doing the wrong thing, minus self width plus self width self x is equal to, yeah, that one is, wait, just to make sure we're working on the correct if statement. No, we were not. No, it should definitely be minus self width, okay. Minus no, minus a width, sorry. Now we're doing one direction at a time so that we can make sure everything works fine. So now we're going to disable that one. Self x is equal to, what about that? No, it's equal to ax plus a width so our x is equal to the pad x plus its width What if our ball was bigger? What if our ball was 32 by 32. Then the logic is still correct. Even if we go that way. No. Minus a width minus self width. That's the correct, I think. No. Or maybe it's just, wait. Self x is equal to ax. No, it should just be self width. Yeah, sorry about that. This one is correct though. Cool. Now these, we're doing the same thing for both, so let's just put them there. Now we're also gonna do push actor push self and 0. No, wrong direction. Sorry. Wait. Wait, it was the right direction? What? Oh, wait. This shouldn't matter, but alright. Why does that happen now? Alright, that seems to be working pretty good. Right, cool. I do wonder why that didn't work though. Like something's gotta be weird here. Anyway, that works good for now. I am sort of annoyed by like, why wouldn't that work? If self x, if the middle point is larger than the pad middle point. Wait, maybe that never happens actually. If I am then self x is equal to a x minus self with Sorry, I just really wanna try this. Okay, so that works. Self x is equal to ax plus self plus a width. That works great. So let's try with a bigger ball again. See if it's still correct. Yeah, that way it's correct. And that way it's not correct. Oh wait. It's because we're not doing that. It's correct. Cool. Why did that happen? Self x is equal what? Oh, we're doing the same direction. Now this will be perfect. Now it's gonna be perfect. Cool, it's actually extremely perfect. Perfect collisions. Okay, now one thing left to do is in the scene play. When we create the pad, we also need to take into consideration the pad height, which is 64, and the 64 divided by 2 is 32. Wait. Pad minus 32 minus 32. So now they are sort of in the middle again. Now the ball is, we made it 32 by 32, and that divided by 2 is 16, so we're gonna do minus 16 for the ball, and it should be in the center. Sort of. It's pretty much in the center. I just wanted to make sure. Right, so that looks pretty good. All right. So yeah, that was just a little quick fix, and see you next video.